Well, I have this Zhiyun Crane Plus, and sometimes when I walk, I think maybe this is with a tripod foot on the bottom, it's not giving me the right grip on it. So I saw some other cranes where they have a handle, and my idea was to make a handle for my crane here, either to have it like this, and that would make it stabler, and well, so I was thinking I have these 3D printers, and I will try to make my own handle that fits here. The only thing I needed that I not could 3D print was of course this screw, and I found this from an old action cam that I do not have anymore, so this I will use for trying to make this grip. So let's take a look how it looks on the 123D design, and then I will start to print it to you. So let's go to the computer first. Well, for this construction I have only used the primitives is a box and the cylinder, nothing else. And if we go and make materials only, the finished result looks like this. So this is version 1 for my Zhiyun Crane Plus, and let's get it printed and see how it works. I could maybe have a little bit worries here on this length here, but let's see how it went out. It takes approximately, let me see, approximately gimbal handle. Let's take it into, oh, we got 2 of them. I don't need that. So I will print this on my Ender 4. So I made it a little bit straight here, so it fits better and I don't come too far out on the edges. And my settings for this print is 0.3 millimeter. I use always a skirt or a brim. I have infill on 20%. Well, I do print with supports, but I don't think they will be needed. And my temperature on that filament I have is PLA, and it will be for 212 degrees, and my hotbed is 50 degrees, and I will spray it with Demafix. The speed is 50 millimeters. Maybe I will create 55. I think that's okay. And others I don't have anything, so it should be ready to be printed in this. So let's take a look here. Prepare to print. My Ender 4, and it will take 2 hours and 52 minutes for this print here. So this is okay. So let's get out to the printer and change some filament. It should be black filament. I hope I have some left, but let me go and see. Okay.
I'm too blind to see in a different view. It's getting to me, yeah. Don't know how to move. All I seem to do is to love and leave. Like when it's going good, it's not meant to be. All I seem to do is to love and leave for good. And now I'm losing my mind, about to lose it all. If I don't make it right, I'ma fall apart. I'll lose it all.
Well, I had to stop the print because the filament I used was not really good. It was also, I think it's an old sample I got with a 3D printer for a while ago. But it really looks bad, and it seems that there is moisture in it or whatever, so I stopped it. And I print in another color. It gave me the opportunities to try it out, if this was the right measurement, and it was. So let us wait and see when I come with a new print. And by the way, it's moving, so the new print is here.
For good. And now I'm losing my mind. About to lose it all.
Well, sometimes a print is getting wrong. It's mainly like that. You never print one and then it fits exactly. But I made some other modification. I made a bar on the center here, and I also made more infill. I moved from 20% to 30%, and I also did cut 2.5 centimeters, so it became shorter. All in all, I'm happy with the result. Looks like that. And well, let me turn it on. It had some nice features. Here we go. So you can use this as well, and you see how smooth. I really have control on it now, and you even don't need the tripod foot. You can also just have it here and then tilt it, go where you want. Smooth and nice. And another thing is, you can now tilt it this way, and you can take it down to the earth and move with it as it is here. So let me go out, take some shots, and I will close my little vlog here about my self-made handle. Autofocus sucks today. But let me go out and take some shots with my camera here, and have a nice evening. Take a look on the result, and see you soon later. Bye bye.
Kill me again, Mr. Bartender, please.